Stay. Good girl, Chloe. Oh, Chloe, you're such a chicken. You're such a chicken, Chloe. Where are you going? Powder, are you scaring everybody? Powder. Chloe. Chloe, where's Heather? Where's Heather? Huh? Where's Heather? Oh, you're going to bring Heather a toy? Huh? Where are you? She's not over there. She's not over there. Come here. What you doing, Powder? What you doing? What you doing, Powder? Okay, you getting dizzy? You gonna get dizzy watching this movie? Hi, Coco. You're a good bird. Why do you have to stay at my feet? Why are you staying at my feet? Go play with Coco. Here. Play with the toys. Look. Here. Play with the toys. Go get the toy. Get the toy.